Hey, now before I even unbox these sneakers that we got early today, I want the record to be straight and let you guys know I wasn't all the way too sure how I'll be feeling the sneaker. So it's gonna be a raw reaction, seeing how these joints is hitting, what the quality like, what the colorway hitting for. Because these joints right here might be the most interesting pair of sneakers that Jordan Brand drops as far as Jordan 1s in a little minute. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We coming to you guys with another one, you know what I'm saying? With another early look. In these right here, they're Air Jordan 1s. Are these right here, man? I feel like a lot of people are going to like them when they first see them, like one of those impulse buy sneakers. So we're gonna break it down. So if you guys are new, subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content. And I've been telling y'all to follow me over on Twitter like right now, because as soon as this shock drop happens for the Air Jordan 1 lost and founds, I'm gonna retweet it, you know, a couple on YouTube, chop it up and see how the restock actually goes on the Nike sneakers app. And before we get any further in the video, you guys already know I'm gonna ask y'all to give a huge like on today's video and go tap into the clothing brand Shop NOIR. It's my personal clothing brand that I started, kind of rebranded from the first clothing brand that I dropped last year. We got some more crazy stuff dropping, and the actual drop is going to be this upcoming Friday, and I'm going to unveil every single product and open the website up this Friday, so you guys be ready, be prepared. I can't wait. But you can check out the Instagram and you can go subscribe to the mailing list for my clothing brand, which will be linked down below in the description box. All right, man, now let's go ahead and get into the sneaker. Like I said, I had to get them. I thought they would be here a little bit sooner than I expected. It did not. It took a little minute. I actually picked these up from StockX. I know a lot of people always say, yo, why do you still shop with StockX? I haven't had a bad encounter with StockX in a little minute. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and give them another opportunity. I've been copping a couple of pair of grails, and I done copped a couple pair of early sneakers from StockX. Everything is, you know what I'm saying, legit on my end. Every shoe that I have gotten, I've been, you know, a little lucky on hitting on the sneakers app, you know, comparing the two sneakers, and everything seems to check out with the shoes. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. And I actually did a full video breaking down the unboxing from StockX, Go, and eBay, kind of give you guys an insight on how every single app works, what the sneakers is looking like, and if they were, you know, authentic. So make sure you guys go tap into that video. I'm gonna leave a card up here and I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. So you guys see the box, man. You see it, man. Let's go ahead and pull them out real quick before we spoil it. I keep on opening the box upside down. I don't know why I keep doing that, and then the lid comes off. Like, come on, man, we gotta get that right. We gotta get that right. Come on now. All right, so here you have it, man. The navy blue, the true blue box right here with the white Nike up top. You guys see it in an official colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG, true blue, white, cement, and gray. And of course, we got these bad boys in the size. Now I got a super steal on these, man. I only paid $240 for these about a week and a half ago. And right now they're going for even lower than that. So we're probably gonna see that same trend of the low resale price for Air Jordan 1s all 2023. We're gonna talk about that after we unbox them. So let's get into them real quick. Yes sir, yes sir. You guys know it come with your little receipt or whatever, and then peeling them open. Let's see, man, let's see. We're gonna keep it all the way OG. We're gonna keep it all the way authentic and see how I'm feeling them. And bam, man, check them out. There you have them, the Air Jordan 1 True Blue. And now that I have them in hand, I am not even going to say they are trash, you know, or anything like that. But I'm going to keep her all the way 100 with y'all, man. The quality of the leather, I feel like they're going all the way back to that 2020 or that 2019 leather, because it's not that great on this pair right here. Of course, I made you guys some bureau so you can check it out. But I don't know how I'm feeling. I don't think this is one of those shoes I gotta have. But if I can get it for a reasonable price, I would definitely snag them. And with me getting these shoes early, I sometimes be taking the L because I pay a little bit more than what they go for on the release day. And I feel like these right here are definitely going to be some sitters, definitely going to be in a lot of outlets, but they are not bad. I'm not going to say they trash, because when I first seen the colorway, I was like, they trash. but they're not as bad as, you know, the pictures show them on, you know, sneakers app, on the internet and all that good stuff. But you got your Nike Air, got your kind of the same wings logo as which Air Jordan 1s that we just unboxed? I forget which ones it were. Okay, it has the same wings logo as the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. It's kind of like that slightly pop out wings logo. You know, the other ones are kind of like embossed into the sneaker, but these right here got a little bit of that little 3D effect on there. And then the upper, it kind of has this nubuck material, not a suede for sure. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys down below in the comment section. How are you rocking out with the Air Jordan 1 True Blues? Now, me myself, like I said, I don't know. I gotta leave it up to you guys because this is an interesting sneaker. Like I said in the title, like I said in the thumbnail, I don't know how I actually feel about them because they're not giving me trash vibes. They're not giving me fire vibes. They're not giving me I need to grab them vibes. So I'm just like, if people get these, it's most likely going to be a crazy impulse buy. That's just my honest opinion. These are scheduled to release January the 14th for a retail tag of $180. I'm happy that they're not pushing this up anymore. I remember it used to be like $160 for the retail price, then up to $170, and now they're going for $180 on the retail tag. And yeah, that's all you get. And you actually get some extra laces inside of here. So it comes with 2 extra laces. Oh, actually, it comes with 1 extra lace. They come with the you know, true blue laces in there, and it comes with an extra pair of white laces. I'm probably gonna definitely do a full review on feet on the release date just to see how they hitting for. And a lot of people definitely love seeing their own feet, and that's probably gonna be one of those like deciding factors if people gonna cop them to look good on feet, do they not? And I think that this one right here gonna be a major sleeper, just because the colorway is not all that. Like, it's not a colorway we want. We didn't ask for this. It doesn't resemble anything. It's just, I guess, its own sneaker, the True Blue. And, you know, usually I try to, you know, see what Nike could have done a little bit differently with some of these colorways of the Air Jordan 1s. But this one right here, I don't know. They honestly could have kept this one all the way. I'm just keeping it 100 with y'all because there's nothing telling me to buy the sneaker. Say, for instance, I went to a sneaker store, I would literally walk past this Air Jordan 1 because it's kind of give me some Air Jordan 1 mid vibes. I'm not hating on mids. I got a lot of mids in the collection, but I'm saying this is a mid Air Jordan 1 colorway. That's just my honest opinion. Let you guys know how I feel about these Air Jordan 1 True Blues. So a lot of Air Jordan 1s that we got last year had some crazy quality as far as leather on the toe box, side panels, and even the Nike swoosh. But you guys are going to see in the B-roll how flat the leather is on the Nike swoosh, on the toe box, and even on the upper of the toe box. It's just like nothing to make anybody grab it. It's definitely going to crease very badly because it does have that flat leather like we used to get with the Air Jordan 1s back in the day. So the main shoe I like to bring up, if you do have it in your collection, is anyone a part of the metallic pack. Air Jordan 1 Red Metallics have probably the worst leather I've ever picked up for Air Jordan 1, and this one right here is almost to that level. That's just me, but some pairs can differentiate. Some pairs can have like some crazy leather. Some pairs can have terrible leather like this one right here. It happened before when I picked up multiple pairs of the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian. Some has some crazy tumbled leather on there, and then some of them was super flat like you see on the Air Jordan 1 True Blues right here. So yeah, you guys let me know down below in the comment section, man, are you going to be copping these this upcoming Saturday? Give you guys a slightly early look. I should have been had them. I bought them last year in December, so they just not getting here. Shout out StockX, they finally came and arrived. Can't complain about this shoe too much because it's not a trash sneaker, just something that I don't need. But of course, I had to bless the Vintage Squad, give you guys an early look on an upcoming pair of Air Jordan 1s that might go under a lot of people's radar in 2023. Before we wrap up today's video, like I said in the intro, I need you guys to go tap into the clothing brand, check out the website, subscribe to the mailing list. I got some crazy stuff dropping. Might drop a couple pictures here and there so you guys can tap into it, but the full release will be this upcoming Friday. Hope you guys all support. Just rebranded a little bit, got some better quality, got some better merch for you guys to cop, and I'm super excited about this one right here. So please go tap in, support your boy. All the links will be down below in the description box. Leave a huge like on today's video. To go for every single video is 500, but we got an early look, so we gotta get this joint up here to 1,000 likes. I know we can do it, especially if you guys want to see more of these early looks coming to you in 2023. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. And again, thank you guys so much for tapping in, and I will catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.